23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening, I'm Jessica Harrington. Here's what's making headlines around Kern County. Today, we are learning that COVID-19 cases at local senior facilities continue to rise. Public Health saying more than half of the deaths in Kern County stem from Kingston Healthcare. According to Public Health, 15 people have died from COVID-19 at Kingston Healthcare. In all, 77 residents and 53 employees have tested positive at the facility. The Labor Department reported an additional 2.4 million Americans filed for unemployment last week. It marked the 9th week in a row that millions of people filed for initial unemployment benefits as the coronavirus slammed the U.S. economy. California reported the highest number of jobless claims the last week at an estimated 246,000. A total of 38.6 million people have filed since mid-March when lockdown began across the country. If there's any relatively positive news, first-time claims have declined for 7 straight weeks. The courts are open at the North of the River Recreation and Park District. The NOR has announced they will be reopening their tennis and pickleball courts for singles play only today at noon. NOR officials ask that everyone be mindful of CDC guidelines and continue to follow social distancing rules.
And as temperatures heat up, dry conditions remain for the next several days. Those temperatures are going to significantly heat up. We may see the first prolonged period of triple-digit heat since last summer, but we're not expecting rain compared to earlier this week when we had cloudy skies and those showers, but that's no more. Right now we're looking at temperatures in the low 80s in the valley, 82 in Bakersfield, 81 in Arvin and Lamont and Buttonwillow, 63 in Fraser Park, 87 in Ridgecrest, and 82 currently in California City. Here's a look at our lows for tonight. We're looking at a low of 55 in McFarland, a low of 43 in Kernville, a low of 53 in California City, and a low of 42 in Fraser Park. Tomorrow's highs, we slowly start to warm up. We're looking at 85 for the high in Bakersfield, 80 in Ridgecrest, 88 in China Lake, and 78 in Mojave. There is also a wind advisory in effect for those desert areas as wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour are possible. But here's a look at our 7-day forecast. You see, we pretty much stay in those 80s, mid 80s for the next 2 days, but by Sunday we're looking at a high of 92, and on Monday a high of 98. And you see those icons there, hot, hot, hot. That's exactly what it's going to be. We're looking at a high of 102 on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll cool down just 1 degree at 101 on Thursday, but it's definitely going to be hot out there, and our mountain areas temperatures are going to heat up as well. But for tomorrow, Kern River Valley are looking at a high of 74. Tehachapi, you have a high of 68, and Fraser Park as well, a high of 68.
That's your latest news and weather update. For the latest news anytime, be sure to log on to our website, turn to23.com.